Welcome to Xybion QMS, introducing a newly released version of the web-based solution that allows you to manage all your quality processes in a controlled, compliant, and yet flexible way. The integrated QMS allows you to right-size the process automation you need at the right time. The integrated and scalable system includes a robust document management system that is integrated with end-to-end quality management and qualification management processes that can be enabled as you need them. This solution is available as a hosted solution and when required as an on-premise solution with various licensing options, language options, and authentication options. This allows it to fit within your IT framework, roadmap, and budgetary requirements for your organization. The security is very granular by user roles and by security groups and even down to the individual level if necessary. This ensures that each user has access to only the modules and the records and the functions that they need to view, edit, and track. For example, as a user gains more permissions, they will see additional items on their navigation bar, including the out-of-the-box quality management modules, or what we call processes and control, such as action, for the capability to capture, do root cause, do full analysis on corrective actions, nonconformance, which is used for deviation, deficiency, quality event, and various nonconformance tracking from end to end, and audit, which includes the audit program, audit, and finding for comprehensive management of internal, external, and regulatory audits, as well as study-based audits. And the complaint includes the ability to manage customer complaints from the initial complaint all the way through the mitigation of those. And of course, there's a series of support modules that are integrated with all of the different modules. The Xybion QMS also includes an easy-to-use solution builder that allows Xybion as the configurator to create additional workflows, modules, etc. So for example, we've added change control, both DCR, document changes, and engineering change orders, as well as the full suite of qualifications, or what some people call training or competency management, as well as the ability to evaluate suppliers and track that master study schedule along with the audits to ensure that there's full QA coverage throughout the life cycle of that study. Now in the system, the important thing is that all of these workflow-based modules will feed into the task workload automatically as well as the notification. So the My Task includes the tasks. Supervisors can monitor and reassign. There's automated out-of-office, built-in calendar functions. The processes allows the leader of the entire record to monitor and manage each of the processes. There's ad hoc reports, communications, emails, and my favorite, documents to rapidly let each user open and view their most critical documents that they need for the day. These are all controlled by permissions. But the good news is that this is all done so that it is an efficient end-to-end workload system, so nothing slips through the cracks. Each user can select the columns they want to see on the display. They can collapse, expand for more screen space. They can create personalized filters for finding their data, and of course have reports, as we see here, which include the aging, so you can determine how efficient you are. There's also a calendar view, so if you're more easily able to see what you need to do for the day and manage it from a calendar, that's included as well. In the entire system, there's also the capability to click on a help feature, and no matter where you are, it will give you that context-sensitive help. So organizations are easily able to bring this online quickly and assuredly for all their user types. As I mentioned before, it is integrated with your email systems for those notifications and alerts. These are configurable as well as all of the workflows, the forms in the system, etc. So this provides that front line notification that there's something to do in the system. And again, that will bring you back into the system so you can work on all of your records most assuredly. And again, use that preferences, use the preferences that are available so you can see the data that you need at the right time. Now, as I open up this audit, this is just one example of when I open up a task in my workload, it will bring up the precise form at the precise step in the workflow so I can collect the required information, work on it, and then move it to the next step or the next user for their work from an end-to-end perspective. And again, all of that can be done through reports so you can see the status of everything in the system. And we understand that a lot of companies have other systems, so this is no exception that we can integrate with external systems. It has an integration framework for external connections. It's integrated for all the modules within it and within the suite of Xybion products. It's purpose-built to make sure the end users have ease in operations, to make them efficient, so the management level of the organization can easily monitor, do reports, and manage overdue tasks, and for corporate compliance with the reports that are capable. This is merely an overview, and there are more in-depth recordings available for each of the specific modules that I mentioned. We invite you to contact us at Xybion.com and schedule a live demo or pull more specific information for our website. We thank you for watching this recording.